All right.
Oh my God, I think it's the spinning shoes, Mama.
You think so?
Hey, can't open it. I think it's made out of.
That's from your sister Diana.
Oh, she probably got me the.
What do you think?
Darn it.
Darn it. Do you need a hand?
I got it.
Okay. Oh, look at the mess.
Huh?
Piece by piece. Do you want me to grab a hunk and try to help you pull it?
Yes, Mama.
Alright. Hold the box. Oh, Diana, what the heck? Wait a second. Hold the camera.
Yep.
Ow! Wow, I can't even open it.
That is not like you.
So much tape on it that it doesn't open. Okay, there you go.
Surprise, Taylor! Surprise!
Okay, now give me the camera.
Here you go.
That was creepy. All that spinning around.
Oh my gosh!
What is it?
I'm opening it now.
Oh, you have a card. Read your card first.
Oh my God. Mama, take the card, take the card. Look. Take the card. Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Oh my God! A Barbie!
A Barbie.
That's what I wanted.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. She loves you so much. What do you say to her?
Thank you, Diana.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to shut the camera off, and we'll try to take it out of the box.
Okay.
Okay? You love it?
Yeah. Can you open it?
Yep. Give Diana a kiss.
Mwah! Tell Nicholas I said hi.
Okay.
Hi, Nicholas.